What is remote sales po? Nagbebenta ka ng remote. Joke lang. Kidding aside, kapag sinabing remote sales guys, it's basically a work from home na sales. So, yung on-site na sales, yung traditional or the usual, nagta-travel ka para i-meet yung client, magpe-present ka, pupunta ka sa Mandaluyong, lilipat ka sa Makati, pupunta ka Cavite para mag-present sa client na hindi mo naman alam kung bibili talaga sa'yo. Tapos sasabihin niya, I'll think about it. Yun ang sales. Gawin mo yung online, that is remote sales. So, yung remote sales is basically, kailangan mo lang ng internet or PC or kaya naman laptop. Tapos magpa-facilitate ka na ng sales using different online outreach methods. Now, ang gandahan sa remote sales guys, kapag nasa freelancing world ka tapos yung client mo is international, binabayaran ka ng dollars. So, yung kinikita mo times 60, ayaw mo nun. Dollar to peso, baby. Now, ang tanong, paano ba mag-uumpisa niyan, Coach JC? Simple lang guys, okay? It's either aralin mo mag-isa, pero mahihirapan ka, pero kaya mo naman, depende sa'yo. Pero hindi mo sure yung success rate mo doon. Or kaya naman maghahanap ka ng mentor. Kaso nanonood ka na sa akin. Mentor ako ng remote sales at coach ako. So ini-invite na kita maging part ng community ko. May free community ako, link in my bio. Check nyo na lang. Yun ang pinakamalaking remote sales community sa Pilipinas guys. Ituturo sa'yo lahat. So if you want to be part of it, link in my bio or search jointheparliament.com. Kita kits.